Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to this course on n8n automation. If you are interested in learning how to automate tasks, connect different apps and build powerful workflows without doing repetitive work manually, then you are in the right place. In this course, we will explore n8n, a powerful open source automation tool that allows you to create a flexible and scalable workflows. In today's first lecture, we will cover the fundamentals including what n8n is, how automation works, and how it compares to other tools like Zapier and Make. So let's get started and take your first step in the world of automation. What is n8n? Here is the logo of n8n. n8n stands for Node to Node and it is a workflow automation tool. It allows you to connect different apps and services together to automate tasks without manual work. For example, automatically sends email when a form is submitted, save data from APIs into Google Sheets, create AI-powered workflows. Unlike many other tools, n8n is open source, highly customizable, can be self-hosted. This makes it powerful for developers, freelancers, and businesses. So we move to the next page. History of n8n. n8n was created by Jan Oberhauser in 2019. He is the Jan Oberhauser. The idea was to build a tool that is more flexible than existing automation tools, developer friendly, transparent, and extensible. Over time, n8n gained popularity because it supports custom logic, it integrates with hundreds of services, it allows users to host it on their own servers. Today, n8n is widely used in automation, backend workflows, and AI integrations. So we move to the next page. Third one is the basics of automation. Automation means using technology to perform tasks automatically without human intervention. Instead of doing repetitive work manually, automation allows system to handle it. Examples: sending welcome emails automatically, updating database, posting content on social media like Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. Benefits of automation: save times, reduce errors, improves efficiency, scales business operations, and it and helps you build these automations visually using workflows. So we move to the next page. Fourth one is the comparison. Let's compare n8n with other popular tools Zapier. Here is the logo of Zapier AI tool. It is easy to use, beginner friendly, limited customization, paid plan can be expensive. Make. Here is the logo of Make AI tool. It visualizes workflow builder, more flexible than Zapier, still cloud based. Here is the n8n. The logo of n8n is like this. It is an open source, self-hosted option, highly customizable, supports advanced logic and coding, better for developers and advanced users. Summary: use Zapier for simplicity, use Make for visual workflows, use n8n for power, flexibility, and control. Move to the next page. Fifth one is the core concepts. To use n8n, you need to understand three key concepts. First one is nodes. Nodes are the building blocks of n8n. Each node represents an app like Gmail, Google Sheets, or a function like if condition HTTP request. Example: a Gmail node sends an email, a webhook node receives data. Workflow: a workflow is a sequence of connected nodes. It defines what happens in what order. Example: form, process data, goes to sends email, save to database. Move to the next page. Third one is execution logic. Execution logic controls how workflow runs. This includes trigger when workflow starts, condition, if statement, loops, and data handling. Examples: if payment is successful, send a confirmation email. If not, sends error message. So we move to the next page where n8n is useful. n8n is useful in many areas. First one is business automation, CRM updates, lead management, email automation. Second one is AI workflow, chatbots like WhatsApp chatbot, AI content generation, data processing with AI. Third one is developer use case, API integrations, backend automation, data pipelines. Fourth one is the freelancing and agencies, automating client tasks, building custom solutions, saving time and cost. Advantages and benefits. Key benefits of n8n open source free to use. Self-hosting is equal to full control, highly flexible, supports custom code, strong community support. Why choose n8n? Because it gives you freedom, power, and scalability in automation. Eighth one is conclusion. In this lecture, we learned what n8n is, its history, basics of automation, comparison with other tools, core concepts, and its real-world uses. This foundation will help you understand everything we build in the upcoming lessons. In the next lecture, we will move into the practical side and set up n8n, where you will start creating your first workflow. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.